Yo, what's up today, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your Windows 10 boot loop that you guys are having problems with. So say you guys reinstall Windows and it's having a boot loop problem. So the fix is make sure you guys do have a USB. Without a USB, it's a lot harder without it because your USB key is basically your recovery that will fix everything. So make sure you do have that, and that's all you guys need. The other thing is you need to come on to Microsoft's website and download their creation tool. Now, I will put this down below in the description, but most of you know where it is on Google. Just type in creation tool, so I will provide that in the link in the description. So what you guys want to do, make sure you plug in your USB, and have your USB is not going to really show all of these files. It's basically the whole Windows 10 right here. I did this before, but you're just going to say your name. Make sure you right click. Now before we do this, make sure you do back up all your stuff onto your desktop or another computer if you guys don't want to lose all your stuff. I don't really have too much on a USB, so I don't mind losing all my stuff. So go ahead, once you're done that, right click on your USB, go ahead to format, and you want to format it as a FAT32 default. Make sure it can be on a quick format, doesn't really matter. I already did this, so I don't need to do it, but yours is going to have an empty USB once that's done. So once that's done, you guys can go ahead and exit out of that. Have the creation tool ready. I'm going to go ahead and download it real quick since it doesn't take too long. But once that's done, you're going to have the creation tool here. Go ahead and open it up. You can exit out of your Chrome if you want. It's going to ask no or yes. Make sure you press yes, and it's going to show you the Windows logo. So here we go. It's going to say getting a few things ready. That's perfectly normal. That's what we want to put all of Windows 10 on our USB key. So there we go. Wait for that to be done. Shouldn't take too long, but this all does require fast internet because you are going to be downloading the whole Windows 10 onto your key. So just bear in mind with that, guys. So once this is done, it's going to say getting a few things ready. Shouldn't take too long. I did this and my Windows 10 is running perfect. So applicable notice and license terms. Okay, cool. We don't need to read that. Just press accept. It's going to say getting a few things ready again. And this is where we want to go ahead and copy all of their stuff. It's going to go ahead and ask, do you want to look for updates? You want to have the latest updates, guys, because the latest updates means there might be fixes from bugs in the previous updates. So make sure you do follow all the steps in this tutorial. So this shouldn't take too long. I don't know why it's taking a bit long, but so there we go. Upgrade this PC now or create an installation. So that's where we want to do that on a USB flash drive. I don't really use DVD, so whatever. So we're going to go ahead and press that, press next, and this is where we're going to select our Windows. If you guys want to go ahead and change it, whatever language you guys are. Windows 10, there we go, 64-bit, 32, pick the one that your computer is supported as. So once that's done, go ahead and press next. And we want to create a USB flash drive, not an ISO file, because that'll be for like a DVD, so we don't really have that. We have the USB flash, so we're going to press next. And there's our USB, guys, right here. Yours might be called different, maybe like F drive, or I don't know, something, just your name maybe, I don't know, whatever. So go ahead and click it, press next, and it'll start asking you to find updates, install. It'll take quite a bit of time, guys, as I said, depending on your internet speed. Go ahead and go through the whole setup. I already went through this, so I don't really need to show you guys, but I'll just tell you. It will take a bit of time. Just go and follow steps. It's really simple, guys. Follow steps. Once that's all done, exit out of this tool. Your USB is officially ready. Now this is what's going to say if you guys exit out, but your USB key is officially ready, shown exactly like this. You got the setup, you got the boot, auto run, everything. So that's what we want. So once we are done all this, we can go ahead and unplug our USB, and I'm going to talk you guys through all of this. It won't be too much, so hopefully it's not too complicated, but if it is, comment down below and I'll try to help you as soon as possible. So once you power off your computer, guys, make sure you keep it off just for a bit, so you made sure everything's off, and it's just give it like 10 seconds, all right? And then go ahead and plug in your USB into your computer, wherever your slots are, the back or the front, whatever. Go ahead and plug it in, and this is where we want to power on our computer and keep clicking F8 and F9 at the same time. I don't know which exact one it is. I think it was F8, but just click both at the same time while the computer is booting up, and it will automatically boot you into the Windows boot logo on your USB. So that's exactly what you guys are going to get. If you get something else, tell me, comment down below, and I could help you out. But it usually is F8 and F9. I didn't know which one it was when I did it, but so I just clicked both, and it both still worked. So do that. Roll through the setup, guys. If you guys want to factory reset, go for it. But as I said, back up all your stuff on another computer or whatever, or on a USB. But that's it, guys. All you guys are going to do is follow steps. Once you're into the Windows setup, follow all steps, reinstall Windows, and your computer should be working as brand new. That's all for today, guys. I hope I did help you guys out. If you guys, as I said, if you guys need more help, comment down below. Follow my social medias if you want to get in contact with me. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you guys did enjoy this video and you want more of these kind of videos. But that's all for today, guys. Like up the video if this did help you. That's it, and I'm out. Peace.